Okay, so I may or may not have forgotten to record for like 2 weeks. I may or may not have. I don't know. I may or may not have. Let's just let's just go into the game. Oh, this is where I left off? Alright. Where do I leave? How do I leave this? I forgot. How do I leave? Got some things. Jellystone. I got some jellystone that I can put away. Went the wrong direction. Alright, and no worries. I can just go this way. There it is. That's the correct exit. Oh, did not mean to do that. Whoopsie. Let's leave this. Wrong direction again. Is this a damn maze? Holy. Alright. Nope, not that way either. Which way is it? How do I leave? It has to be here. Like, there's no way. There's no way this isn't it. Did I go in a circle? I went in a circle. How do I leave this place? Maybe if I go this way? I'll find another area. Is it you? Are you the way out? Nope, you are not the way out. Okay. What about... Nope. Oh, this has to be it. There's like no way. Yeah, no, god damn. Alright. How about here? There we go. This is the way out. Alright, took a bit. Why did they make that place such a damn maze? I don't know. Let's just go here. Into here. Just pop out some thingies. There you go. Don't want that. What are you? Ooh. Right, I want upgrades. I want to look at upgrades. Ooh, I can buy this upgrade. Screw it. I'm buying this upgrade. Alright, now that's done. What I want to get is I want to get you. But I need strange diamond and a bunch of silky sand. Which is going to be a bit on the expensive side. Not expensive, but a bit on the rare side. So it's going to be difficult for me to find those. Alright. Let's just feed the slimes so that I can get some money. Money, money. You know, I love me some money. Okay. Oop, let's go here. Damn, that's a lot of fruit you got there. Okay. Let's just collect this, you know. Collecting the cube berries. Okay. Now we can place them in here. I don't have anything for you. So, what was that? I don't see anything. Okay. Oh, whoops, wrong area. Let's go to the here. Anyone? Nope. Nothing. Alright, just making sure. I should probably sell all the ports I have. Yeah, I should probably do that. Right, the slimes over there. I forgot about them. Hold on. Forgot about the slimes that are over there. And a new message. Alright. I'm just gonna do this first. Just gonna do this first. Sell, selling them all. It's gonna be some really good money. 30, 30, 29. Okay. What about these two? Right, these people like the dark. These ones like the dark, don't they? Right, these people like the dark. So I'm gonna buy that for them. Oh, whoops, did not mean to do that. And there we go, there we go. I can take this. go over here to the bunnies and the pink slimes and grab this so I can sell it. So then I can make some more money. What should we sell for? 17, 20, 28, 21. Okay. Gotta go over here to these pals and just, feed them and then sell their ports. So let's go. Start harvesting. Shortcut. Those slimes are gonna be so annoying to feed because you have to constantly go out to get them their food, and it's just, oh my. It's gonna be so annoying. Alright, let's just come on. There we go. Fed them. Going into here. Of course they don't have any food left. Nor do they have that. Any of that. So go to the puddle slimes, collect their ports. What are you? Oh, pogo fruit. Alright, I forgot about those. Okay, now that I got these, go over, sell those, go explore out for some moon dew nectar, I think it was. Right, let's just sell that. 38 each. 27. 50. Ooh, I want more of those guys, definitely. Alright, let's go read the message I got. Bob. Special delivery. Have great chickens. Alright, rainbow lumps. Oh. Did not mean to do that. A dollop of soil rock taped and sprinkled with some prismatic glass. Okay. I'm gonna go over to the freaking... this area. No, what wasn't this area? Was it this area? Yeah, it was. Go over to this area, get a lot of moon dew nectar. And then I'll return over here, drop it all off. And drop it all off. So, yeah. Make some rearrangements, though. I might have to make some rearrangements to the slime, though. Is there anything that, like, eats both meat and... Ooh, wait, I could just unfuse these guys with those guys over there, and then make a double all-you-can-eat guy. It'd be so easy. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Which means I sadly have to get rid of these guys. Do they have the plorts? They do. I sadly have to get rid of them. I have to get rid of them. There you go. Get rid of them. Now I'm gonna collect their thingy, put it in here. Go around. Collect more of this, because, like, food for them. Got a little too much. Got 11 over. Don't really need those, so... I will. But now I'll cut it. I'll see you later. Alright. Alright, I am back, and I've got the new type of slime. I read its entry thingy, and it turns out it likes to eat, friggin'... It doesn't eat anything, it just likes chickens, so... Yeah. Right, start merging them. Right. Then, which means I know what I'm gonna feed these guys right here. I'm gonna feed them chickens. And you will be with the chickens. Alright, so I'm gonna make a coop by high walls, rating that, and then what's that? Safely and gently moves. Okay. Put you in there. Then you guys are useless to me now. Sorry folks, but y'all are useless. Make me any money. It broke through the top? Alright, well, I'm gonna go and make some, hold on. Do crystal slimesy veggie and honey slime fruit. I've made it. Alright, that's just. Oh no, it's freaking out. Let's see. Sell these completely. Let's go find chickens. And here we are, back at the ranch. Just gotta go all the way back over there. It's gonna be a bit annoying, but for capitalism. Okay. This is capitalism at its finest, people. Are you depressed there's no chickens? Chicken. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Observe that chicken. That's a lot of chickens, right? Now be happy. Let's go. Click these so I can sell them. Right. I'm gonna leave those guys in there alone. Gonna leave them alone in there. So that then they can do what chickens do. And we'll sell these all. Because we all know how desperately low. Never mind, I should not have sold them. It was a bad decision. I should have gone over here and placed them in this. Bum 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 bum. Ah. You're going. There you go. Let's see, can I make anything? Ooh, decoration. I can't make anything. Nope. I can. What happened? Blue return portal. Don't really think I need it. Upgrades. What I really want is this. Ooh, I can. Ooh, I can buy it? Hell yeah. I made it. So how do I use it? Oh, it's key, okay. Sick. Okay. So I'm gonna want this, but I need strange diamond and silky sand. Well, I need the power chip for that. I need silky sand and deep brine for that. And I need I can get this, but I need storage cell, which I don't have. Same thing with this, but I need wild honey and jetpack drive. So, my work cut out for me. I'm gonna go look for more of those yolk slimes and possibly get a ton of loot. So, hunting the things again. Okay, I am back, and I've got Roostro and a Yoki slime. Put you. Holy. So how do I do this? Let's grab these guys. But oh my. These guys got to be going elder pretty soon. And we got an elder hen. Oh boy. We could eat. I said eat. Eat. Alright, but I feel like this is where I'm gonna sell these first. Splitsies, 50 gets sold, 50% gets sold, 50% gets put into the research chamber thingy. Ooh, 50 bucks per piece. Oh my. That is one expensive crap. Alright. I think I went the wrong way. I'm pretty sure I went the wrong way. Okay. Let's just go. And over there. And like freaking in here. There we go. Well, I think that's where I'm gonna end it out for today, everybody. But have a good day. Just a splendid day. Or night or whatever. Have a good one just in general. And bye-bye.